How to download Telegram in a laptop. Okay, first of all, what we need to do is go to this link here, telegram.org. Now, once we're here, you'll see these options. You have the option of downloading it for Android, an iPhone or iPad, or a laptop. Now, this is PC, Linux, or Mac. So, I have a PC, so I'm going to click here. You'll get to this page here. Now, the first option is get Telegram for Windows 64. You can click here to show all platforms if you're running under a different one. I'm going to use this one. Perfect. Now once you click it, the download will begin. Mine is going to take about 5 minutes. Once it's finished downloading, it's going to ask for your phone number to link to your account, and you'll be done. That's how you download Telegram on a laptop. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe.